Cupra Formentor, the first vehicle uniquely developed for the brand, is now hitting the markets with the two plug-in hybrid powertrains, helping kickstart Cupra's shift to electrification and showing that electrification and performance are a perfect match. The Cupra Formentor e-hybrid continues to bring together the benefits of a performance car with the qualities of an SUV at a time, when the crossover segment is due to witness incredible growth while adding a completely new skill too. The Cupra Formentor e-hybrid's powertrain deliver either 204 PS or 245 PS, mixes efficient TSI combustion technology, a powerful electric motor and a lithium-ion battery to maximize both performance and efficiency. Its advanced adaptive chassis control, the progressive steering and quick-shifting transmission technology continue to provide the core elements of dynamism and emotionality expected from the brand. Closer to the ground to deliver a sportier, more focused aesthetic with a visual emphasis placed towards the rear of the vehicle at the same time, accentuating the length of the bonnet, underscoring its dynamic proportions. The design adopts the need of today's customers but with a solidity and range of offerings that set it apart. Not only its advanced plug-in hybrid powertrain but also its fully connected experience and the most advanced safety and convenience systems available. The high-performance Cupra Formentor e-hybrid plug-in hybrids mixes the combustion power of 1.4-liter TSI 150 PS petrol engine and pairs it with a 115 PS electric motor. Electric energy is stored in an advanced 13 kWh lithium-ion battery pack, allowing the Cupra Formentor to deliver eco-conscious performance. The combination of conventional and next-generation technologies allows the Cupra Formentor e-hybrid to augment how power is delivered using their combustion electric or a mixture of both. It also means that two different power outputs are available, 240 PS that is 150 kW and 245 PS that is 180 kW. Both front-wheel drive high-performance CUVs use the same powertrain configuration but tuned to deliver different characteristics. In 204 PS Gazi, the plug-in hybrid mixes performance with efficiency. It can accelerate to 100 km in only 7.8 seconds and has a top speed of 205 km per hour. In this version, CO2 emissions are between 26 to 32 grams per kilometer, while it uses between 1.2 to 1.4 liters of fuel to travel 100 km according to the WLTP official test cycle. Shift to the more powerful Cupra Formentor VZ e-hybrid 245 PS and form a standing start. The high-performance SUV can reach 100 km/h in just 7 seconds with a top speed of 210 km/h. But the increase in performance doesn't mean a compromise in efficiency, and the 245 PS Cupra Formentor e-hybrid matches that 1.4 to 1.6 liter per 100 km fuel figure, while CO2 dip even lower to only 31 to 35 grams per kilometer according to WLTP. The high efficiency is supplied thanks in part to the power and energy dense 13 kWh lithium-ion battery. The advanced technology stores enough energy to deliver an electric-only range of up to 59 km based on the official WLTP test cycle. The lithium-ion pack weighs 130 kg, yet it is positioned as low as possible to minimize its impact on vehicle dynamics, while its 96-liter volume makes it relatively simple to package. The high-quality cabin provides a sense of modernity and sportiness with a unique take on the feel of the Cupra brand. Once inside, high-quality materials with brushed dark aluminum and copper accent make the cabin feel modern and contemporary while cocooning the occupants. As the driver takes hold of the new Cupra steering wheel, another indicator of the spirit of the Cupra Formentor housing the engine start and Cupra mode select button. They will instantly understand they are taking control of a different type of vehicle, and unlike other models in the range, the digital cockpit data is focused on the vehicle's electrified powertrain, from the electric-only range remaining to the mode of power delivered. The centerpiece of the interior is a 12 infotainment touchscreen which provides the functionality and connectivity to all occupants and reduced button count. The simplicity and elegance of the interior is achieved in part thanks to the inclusion of the shift-by-wire DSG transmission technology, which helps declutter the interior, creating greater space. Specifically for the e-hybrid Cupra models, there is one specific button placed on the driver's door which permits to unlock the petrol filter flap. Added to this, the Cupra Formentor e-hybrid dimensions of 4,450 mm long and 1839mm wide and with a height of 1510mm provides excellent headroom, while the wheelbase of 2680mm offers significant legroom for rear occupants. The Cupra Formentor e-Hybrid offers a boot capacity of 345 liters. An array of sensors integrated on the vehicle make the Cupra Formentor e-Hybrid one of the easiest and safest to live with in daily life. Highlights include travel assist, side and exit assist, emergency assist, predictive ACC and exit warning. The technology which delivers high yields of safety, but systems are needed to bring convenience without the feeling of control being taken away from the driver. An important consideration in a Cupra, a brand where the driver's needs are a central priority. The result is a vehicle that can meet the dynamic needs of a Cupra brand while providing the safety standards demanded by the market.